Hey, it's Justin Klein with House and Land Real Estate out at my newest listing, 827 Ramblewood in Forks Township. Let's go take a look around.
We'll be making history. Are you with me? Won't you stay? We have come so far. This is who we are. And like the rising sun, we have just begun to play our part. This is the time we form the chorus. Lift your voice.
As soon as you enter the home, on either side you have your dining room and front sitting room that could also make a fantastic home office, both with lots of windows and tons of natural light coming in. If you'll follow me, we'll continue through over to the kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tons of space, and I love the huge island with the sink in it. Right off the kitchen through the sliders, you go out to your huge porch. Very nice size yard, all fenced in, and the fences actually are nice and close together, so if you have a small dog or a small kid, I guess, you can't sneak out. Continuing on the first floor is a first floor bedroom and a half bath. And access to your 2-car garage. And then you have the great room. Everybody loves a high ceiling, and it's really cool because you can see right up into the second floor, up to the catwalk. Speaking of the second floor, let's go check it out. Upstairs, we have 4 more bedrooms, 2 more full baths, and second floor laundry.
This is the time we form the chorus. Lift your voice for those before us. We can rely on one another. Feel the pride, let's show our colors. We are heroes and dreamers. We are restless believers, stronger than ever. Never say never. Don't look back now. Don't look back now. Rise up, stand with each other. We are sisters and brothers, finding our place and running the race. We'll take our chance and seize the moment. Hold on tight and don't let go of all your hopes and dreams that light the way.
And finally, we can head downstairs and check out the fully finished basement.
Feel the spotlight shining down. Everything's alright, standing proud. We'll make the walls come down. You will know that we can make our lives bigger and brighter. Realize we can be fighters.
And one of the most desirable parts of the whole place is the neighborhood. You have right up the street is the community center with pool, basketball courts, tennis courts, volleyball courts, and your very own walking trail. And you're right across the street from the country club.